Hi ladies, I am wrapping up officially the 7-Day Joy Challenge a few days after, because what I have done for myself, and I don't know how it's been for you, but it was so good and enlivening and enlightening that I am continuing to do this Joy Challenge and making sure that every day I am actively seeking and savoring and sharing joy. And it has been profound. Today I wanted to share about joyful spaces. I don't know what you have found for yourself of being able to recapture that joy when things are hard or difficult or stressful, but I have learned for myself that, especially watching this and being attentive and just paying attention to what I'm feeling or what I use for my coping skills or help me to feel joy, that joyful spaces is something that I continue to keep coming back to. And I am actually sitting on my sweet bed, which is my joyful space, one of my favorites. I love my bed. There's so many times that I come in and I just go, I love my bed. And the kids all climb on here. This is a place where we have chats and laughter, and we all cuddle and watch a movie, and we play games, and we just love being together, and it's kind of a safe place. And for me, it's kind of a letdown place as well, that I'm able to, at the end of the night, I just go, wow. Looking at the day, I get out my gratitude journal, I write down the things that I have loved about the day, and then I'm able to just say, wow, kind of shed the skins of the day that don't belong and be able to capture the things that I love that bring me the joy. So I sit in my cozy bed and I write my journal and I cuddle with my kids, and it's just like a little piece of heaven. And so anyway, showing you my cute little bed. My daughter usually makes my bed for me, and so as a surprise, I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, it's a joyful space because I also, a few months ago, with my girls, we went and we redid their bedding. And so it was like a fresh new beginning to the year and a new start, and nice and cozy and clean and wonderful. And so I encourage you, consider, what are your joyful spaces? What are the spaces that make you happy? Another one is right behind me. I'm LDS and I love going to the temple. It's just a quiet, peaceful, generating, rejuvenating, soul-stirring place that makes me feel wonderful. Like I leave and I just feel so good. I find myself just smiling all the way out the door. So these are wonderful, beautiful, joyful spaces. What are your joyful spaces? What are the places that you find yourself going to that rejuvenate you, that restore you, that help you feel like, you know what, that 15, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, if you can get it, that made me feel like I could let down and soak in the joy. Consider those, write them down, post them up if you need to. Let us know on this post what are the joyful places for you, so that we can learn from you and be able to increase our joyful spaces as well.